Hi, I'm Bradley of Bradley Teaches, and today I want to talk about a little known feature, or maybe just a feature you didn't notice about Restream Studio, the custom avatar. Okay, so what is the custom avatar? Why would you use it? And how do you make one? So first, the custom avatar is the icon that can show up on your screen when your camera is disabled. Now, why would you want to use that icon? Well, first, if you ever want to disable your camera and just go sound only, kind of in a podcast kind of feel, you're going to get the default icon based on the username or the account name that you use. So in my case, Bradley Teaches. So it's going to be like a little B in a circle, right? Nothing fancy, kind of cool, right? But it also has kind of a pulsating circle around it for when you talk. So that little animation is cool, but the icon is kind of blah, right? So the reason that you want to update this is honestly because you can, right? You could put a better graphic there, a picture, an icon, add some color, add some different things to it. So you can have that kind of cool little extra. Now let me go back a little bit again and talk about the why you would want to do this. Sometimes you want to have kind of an audio kind of feel to your broadcast, more of a podcast kind of flow, right? You might not want to have a video on the screen, but you also don't want to have the screen look plain and not really be branded for you, right? You want to have kind of a custom kind of icon for yourself to identify it. That's the perfect reason to use this, because you can have all the other features you want to use, but just have your camera off and feed in good sound, a little default animation, and you're ready to go, right? So let's jump into the interface of Restream Studio, and I'm going to show you how to upload your custom avatar and show you how it looks in action. Let's go. Here we are in the interface of Restream Studio, and as you see right here, my camera has been disabled, and you can see my default icon on the screen. You also see the pulsating circle around it goes along with my voice for when there's some audio going on. But let's talk about how we can customize this. And if you go here, right above your video window, and then these three little dots, you want to click on those, then go to Change Avatar. Now, as you see here, the default one is in, and you see the outline around the default to show that's the one you want to use. Let's go to plus. And I've already uploaded, or have in a folder anyway, some graphics I want to use as my custom avatar. I have my cartoon picture. I have my portrait, more formal picture. Then I even have my logo graphic. So let's upload the emoji first. I double click on that, and you will see here it has kind of a faded circle around it, which will show the actual dimensions or shape of the icon you're going to get. So it doesn't really matter what kind of graphic you upload, it's going to conform it to a circle or crop out everything but that circle shape. So I'm going to hit apply on that. And now I have that icon ready to go. But now let's go ahead and select another one. Now, the reason you may want to have multiple icons because you may want to kind of have a different look and feel for your broadcast. I might be doing a broadcast about something serious, and so I want to have a more formal kind of look. Then I might want to have my Bradley Teaches playful look, or I just want to have a branded graphic. So you can upload quite a few of these, right? Just to kind of get a different look and feel for each one you want to do. And just make sure you turn the one on that you want to use for when you disable your camera. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my last one, which is a logo graphic, the Restream icon. And here's something that's cool too, right? You can actually even rotate the graphic, which is kind of cool if you want to do that. Then hit apply. Now, if you ever want to delete any of them, you just want to make sure that the ones you want to delete are not selected. So because my Restream icon is selected, I can now delete the other two, as you see here with the X's. But once I select it, I can't delete it right then. So I'm going to put on my emoji here. Well, let's put on the Restream logo. Then I'm going to hit done. So what I'm going to do now is, as my camera is disabled, you now see my new custom icon. It has the pulsating ring around it to show the sound, and I'm good to go. At any time, I can just turn my camera back on, but this is a great way to have kind of an audio only feel with a built-in animation. It's a great feature to have in your back pocket when you don't want to have a custom background or something like that for when you need to be off the screen for a minute. So just disable your camera, keep on talking, find the papers you were looking for, whatever it was, and you still kind of have your branding on screen. You don't have to kind of let me load another graphic, let me figure out what to put on something. Just disable your camera and you're good to go. All right, you guys, see you in the next video. Keep on creating. Bye-bye.